LSAW pipes are built for big projects, places where you need serious strength and precise dimensions every single time. Whether it's oil and gas pipelines or long-distance water transport, LSAW pipes stay reliable even in tough and changing environments. In bridges and heavy structural work, these pipes offer strong compression resistance while keeping their dimensions spot on. Across hills, dry riverbeds, or uneven ground, LSAW pipes hold their shape and performance from installation to operation. Different diameters, thickness options, and corrosion protection. Each pipe can be tailored to match exactly what a project needs. From design to the final delivery, LSAW pipes deliver consistent quality that keeps every project safe and efficient. HUAYANG LSAW pipes, built for strength, accuracy, and long-term performance in modern infrastructure.